Meaning of fraternal twin.
Fraternal twin.
Fraternal twin.
Fraternal twin.
Fraternal twin. A fraternal twin refers to a type of twinning where two siblings are born from the same pregnancy but have separate placentas and amniotic sacs. This means that they are not identical, as they each have their own distinct set of genes. Fraternal twins can be of the same or opposite sex and may even look very different from each other. The likelihood of having fraternal twins is influenced by various factors such as age, family history, and fertility treatment. Overall, fraternal twins are a unique and special type of sibling bond that many cherish.